I just hope she don't wanna leave me.
Y'all, Dad had got some cracked corn. And he said that it don't taste nothing like Cracker Jack. It tastes like
Cracker Jack tastes better than the cracked corn.
He says only because it has no GMO, no high fructose corn syrup, and gluten free.
So this supposed to be like a healthier snack?
Healthier Cracker Jack.
Wow.
If y'all ever had cracked corn, let me know. I just said, I'm like, what's the purpose?
If not, don't try it.
So y'all, we are in Atlanta. I'm gonna show you guys what everything looked like because I don't even know how to explain this, to be honest. First we have the front door, then it's just a little thing over here. The living room, my grandma, TV. Over here we have a little, what's this called? Like a little thing over here and just stuff on it. You come over here, you have my parents' room, very spacious. No TV in here. Turn right here. Here's my room. No TV here also. It's just plain, simple, nothing too crazy. Then we have the bathroom. Me and my mom and my dad's bathroom right here. Have the little marble. I like the little marble look. It looks real nice. They got the little blue. The mirror, toilet, the shower. Some hang your towels on. Over here, you have the kitchen. Have a little island over here with no chairs. Oven, the stove, fridge. Over here, you got the laundry utility room, basically. Then you have the little dining area where you can just sit, talk, whatever like that. This is the part where we're gonna have a problem. So when you walk over here, y'all see how it just looks like a normal floor? See how my foot go like this? There's a little step right here with no caution. My grandma's gonna be in this room, by the way. So, but when you walk in, you have my grandma's room. This is how it looks. It looks really nice. She has a TV and then a big closet. When you come over here, it's the same thing. it's a step. You have to step up. I hate that they did that because it's very like much of a hazard. And my dad told me that when he was here, he had to step. He basically tripped. But this bathroom right here, I love this bathroom. So let me show y'all. So in the bathroom we have two, you know what I'm saying, a little Jack and Jill. The shower is banging, baby. Got a little thing right here. Step in, voila, a good shower, you feel me? So this is the shower, toilet, Jack and Jill, and yeah. So y'all, I'm fat. But yeah, y'all, so that's basically all that's here. And then let me, like, y'all, outside when we got here, the freaking front yard is terrible. Like, I kid you not, they did not mow the grass at all. Like, literally the grass is not mowed at all. My dad got in the ant hill. He got bit up. A lot of stuff is going on. But that's basically it. So we are in ATL now. In a few minutes, once we get everything settled, because we already brought everything in the house, we're gonna go to my brother's apartment, go see him, then we're gonna bring him here, and then we're just gonna do what we need to do. So I'll see y'all when we have everything situated and ready to go. Hey guys, so it's literally the end of the day. It is currently 10:28. I saw my brother today. I didn't record because I was just in the moment, but I'm gonna record tomorrow. Throughout the day, we went to Walmart, we went to my brother's house, and we came back here. Y'all already saw how the rooms mix up. This place is just, I took a shower. I just got out the shower. And y'all, tell me why they used a shower, like a window curtain for the shower. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know how they got 5 stars. Probably back then they were good, but now it's just down in the dumps. But yeah, right now I'm getting ready for bed. I'm really just gonna be chilling for real. I still need to get done editing my video that I need to put out this Saturday, which I feel like I'm at close to the end, but I'm not like fully full at the end. So yeah. But today was good. Drove all the way down here to Georgia. And I'm just gonna really see y'all guys tomorrow. Y'all, I'm so mad because my room does not have a TV. It doesn't have a TV. And I don't know why. This room gives me weird vibes. Like, I don't know. I don't know. Since I don't have my dog, I forgot to tell you guys. So I have one, like a little Lemon 8 thing, and I got a little limo dog. It's like when I pull it, it vibrates. Y'all probably can't feel it. Obviously I can't feel it. Y'all can't hear it either, but it vibrates. I just brought it me just because. And I don't care what anybody says, like, oh, you still sleep with like plushies, baby. Yes, and what about it? But yeah, so I'm just gonna be chilling for the night. I'm gonna talk to my boyfriend because I've been talking to him all day. I literally brought my PlayStation for nothing, to be honest, because there's no TV in here. And this is so much space over here, and I actually do not like it because it's so unnecessary. Like, not like unnecessary, but like put something over there to make it look like something, because it's just like a bed. And then this little nightstand over here, it is freaking like off balance. Like when I put my stuff over here, it just like, I thought the lamp was gonna break. But yeah, you guys, so I will see you guys tomorrow morning when we get the day started. I don't really know what we're gonna do. We mostly just came here to see my brother and spend some time with him. So we'll see. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Go trip over a knife.
Alright, y'all, so time has passed. It's the next day with my brother. Say hi.
It's good game.
Ain't seen this man in 40 years. I'm just fine. But we finna go to his house first, and then he's gonna take me to this place called Friendz, which is an acai place. And y'all know I love me good acai bowl. So
It's very good. Like very.
and he said it's like a really big bowl.
And it's not no small one. It's not. Let me see. It's not no small one. It's better than a Smoothie King acai bowl. It's better than what's the other place that have acai bowl?
I've never
better
had
than any Memphis acai bowl. I'm gonna tell you that now.
I've never had the Smoothie King acai bowl. I've always had like acai bar, and then
It's better than that.
yeah.
I'm literally telling you. It's like fresh. It's like fresh cut strawberries, you got fresh.
I'm gonna load my bowl up. I ain't gonna cap. All the stuff they got, like all the toppings, I'm gonna load it up. Cause I never heard of cookie butter before. I mostly get like Nutella and almond butter.
You need to get their you also gotta get extra. It's their signature. So like when I say get extra, because I feel like there's gonna be a line.
That's all I know we're gonna do right now. Don't mind the head, I just put a little wrap on. I'm not bald. I might wear my hair down later on today, but yeah, so I'll see y'all when we get to the acai place. This thing, is thicker. This thing is real thick. Had to catch myself.
Crazy.
Ma'am.
It's whatever you want on them, Mom.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Gosh.
Okay, guys, so we have the kids in the house. Of course, y'all see my son here. And there's baby girl. So they got some acai bowls. Where did you get them from? Friend. Blah. I can't talk. Friend here in the ATL. So I'm trying. Okay, it must be good. She
like
dropped
taco
her
cane.
head and oh, she always said about food. She like. So let me sit the camera down.
That's what I'm talking about.
So now.
Feels like
Everybody's like, because everybody did stop.
feels like
Mama probably likes truffles.
Yeah. So that one is strawberries, blueberries, extra granola, chai, black seeds, and agave.
Try it.
And you stole my blanket.
That's what I wish was the She would
Yeah, you can say that.
when you, yeah, real hard.
Give me another spoon.
Super hard.
Oh, you can give me a spoon. Yes, don't be sweet, Mama. Child, bring me some food.
That boy, that's the blue.
Let me see your bowl, Noah.
And they got Nutella. What? I told you I ain't put on
Her
Nutella.
bowl. So you only got, I'm probably gonna do a mix.
Strawberry, acai, agave, granola, almond butter, cookie butter,
Probably do this bowl.
a little bit of a mixture. Y'all, my whole freaking, what's it called? Tripod broke. So ain't nothing gonna be up at all.
Yeah, well, I'll get, I got more than one.
Oh, and also this is Jasmine. This is Jasmine. Y'all, it is literally later on in the day. It's literally like it's literally like 11:42. I haven't really vlogged a lot of clips I'm gonna get, y'all gonna see, but I just want to end the vlog here. I had a great time spending time with my brother. I ain't seen him in a minute. He's still his little goofy self as always, but I'm gonna end the vlog. So if you guys like the video, subscribe down below my Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.